Welcome to Tricky Apps. Surds and indices. Now, I am going to explain key points and important formulae from surds and indices. There is a chance to get at least one question from this chapter in all competitive exams. Indices. When a number m is multiplied by itself n times, then the product is called nth power of m and it is written as m power n. Here, m is called the base and n is known as the index of the power. Example, 2 power 3. Here, 2 is base and 3 is the index of 2. Like surds. When the radicands of two surds are the same, then those are known as like surds. For example, 2 root 3 and 6 square root 3. Here, the radicands are same, so they are called like surds. Unlike surds. When the radicands are different, then they are called unlike surds. Example, 2 root 5 and root 3. Here the radicands are different, so they are unlike surds. Comparison of surds. To compare two or more surds, first of all the denominators of the powers of given surds are made equal to each other, and then the radicand of the new surds are compared. Example, which of the following surds is the greatest? They are 6th root 4, cubed root 5 and 4th root 7. Let us see the solution. 6th root 4 is 4 power 1 by 6. Cubed root 5 is 5 power 1 by 3. 4th root 7 is 7 power 1 by 4. To make the denominators of the powers equal, first let us calculate the LCM. LCM of 6, 3 and 4 is 12. So, 4th root 1 by 6 is 4 power 2 by 12, that is 16 power 1 by 12. 5 power 1 by 3 is 5 power 4 by 12, that is 625 to the power 1 by 12. 7 power 1 by 4 is 7 power 3 by 12, that is 343 to the power 1 by 12. Now, as the powers are equal, we can compare the radicands. So, observing the calculations, we can say that 625 to power 1 by 12, that is cubed root 5, is the greatest of all the given surds. Now, let us see the techniques. Technique 1. To find the value of root a plus root a plus root a plus so on, factorize a. If a is equal to m into m plus 1, then m plus 1 is your answer. Let us see an example. Find the value of root 12 plus root 12 plus root 12 plus so on. Here, a is 12. As it is given in the technique, let us first factorize 12. So 12 can be written as 3 into 4 and 4 can be written as 3 plus 1. So 12 is equal to 3 into 4 and that is 3 into 3 plus 1. And according to the technique, the answer is m plus 1. So here 3 plus 1 and that is 4 is the answer. So the value of root 12 plus root 12 plus root 12 plus so on is 4. Example 3. If a to the power 2x plus 2 is 1, where a is a positive real number other than 1, then x is how much? Let us see the solution. It is given in the question that a power 2x plus 2 is 1. As a power 0 is 1, let us substitute 1 with a power 0. So, a power 2x plus 2 is a power 0. As bases are equal, powers can be equated. So, 2x plus 2 is 0. So, x is minus 2 by 2 and that is minus 1. So, value of x is minus 1. Thanks for watching. For full videos, download our app from the Play Store.